couple of days later, and I've actually remoulded this because somebody come around and tried to test its strength, bending it, putting loads of pressure on the edge here, and it ended up snapping under a lot of pressure. So I remoulded it, and the original 100mm wide is actually now 98-ish, around 98 square, so we've had about 2% shrinkage. What I'm going to do now is create a little area for it sitting on the CNC and try surfacing it to see what happens. So that's the next step. But somebody did ask me what it's like to sand, so before I do that I might just get a bit of sandpaper on it and give it a rub and see how easy it is to surface that way. Alright, I'll just give it a little sand, literally held that flat and 5 seconds aside and then quickly around the edges. And it's straighten the edges up slightly, and it's give me more of a level playing field here. There's still a few high rises. I literally did 5 seconds aside, so a bit more time and sanding will get it smooth, but it is quite tough, so I'm still going to attempt the CNC, but this will help me level it off slightly before I get to the CNC, get rid of the high spots. So yeah, let's move on to machining it. In fact, I might just give it another sand to try and get rid of some of this, see what happens. When it's took away the high spots, it's going to take a lot to get down to that level, so it's in a crease. And I'm not using the best sandpaper. But I've took a few of the high spots away. Let's get it on the machine and see what happens. So I've created a little recess with a 12mm bit, and for the first time ever I'm attempting the masking tape and super glue hold down trick. So I couldn't think of any other way, and I'm pretty sure it won't move, but I'm going to shield myself when I start this anyway. So I'm going to zero it off to the height, what I believe is the probably the lowest point actually, because then it will handle the mill depth, and then take off half a mil, see what happens. Could have probably decreased my step over a bit for a better finish. It's pretty much, that's beautiful, lovely finish. I could probably drop it another half a mil, just clean up these edges, which I will do now, and then I'll try flipping it and doing the other side. Look at these lovely little green tips. bit there. Looks like it's going to crack. Got quite an ultra thin bit there, and it snapped off. Yeah, I'm going to try and get this off. Yeah, I probably did it too much on that side. It's been like 3mm thick anyway, wasn't it? 4mm, and I just took a minute off there to take any off that side. It's going to be too thin. So, yeah, split machines, absolutely lovely. Like I said, I could decrease my step over, that's at 40%, but that bit just flies through it. So yeah, in future make them a bit thicker so I can level them. I'll try and make it so they're a bit more level so I ain't got to take as much off. Just try and get a nice level. I don't see the point in machining the other side. My test is done. Look, it cracked.